So after the analysis is done, you will find two types of tree, that is original tree and bootstrap consensus tree. So many people get confused here to which one to use, which tree you are supposed to use. But you have to know that this is the original tree. You have to use this one, but you have to show the bootstrap value from this tree. You can also use this one, but I would recommend use the original tree and use the bootstrap values. You can see here why we use original tree, because original tree shows what actually the tree is supposed to be. For example, I know this is my out group and this is my in group, all of them. But here, according to bootstrap, you see this is also included as in group. But you can do one thing, you can do this and right click here and root here, and it will do the routing like this, and you can just use this one. Now the thing is, how are you going to use this bootstrap consensus tree, and why we are supposed to use original tree? For example, if you use the bootstrap consensus tree, you have to export it before using it. Then export the quick file. You have to select the bootstrap values, okay, and then save it as quick export bootstrap.nwk for your quick file. Save it, and you will see that this is saved and quick format is recognized by our fig tree, so I can directly open it. Or if you can't open it, you can also do like open with, choose the app, or you can simply go to your fig tree, open it, and then open, go to the file here. This is the quick export bootstrap one. You can just press ml and OK. So you can see after the bootstrap analysis, this is the bootstrap tree. You can see here we have 1 1 1 1 0.9 0.8 0.6. Let me zoom it, and also this one. So this is the type of tree that you will get. There is no tree length. You can see tree length, just one source. And you can see that here we have our 0.9, that is round value. Okay. That's why I don't like to use this mega, because the values are not accurate. For example, this 0.7 could have been like 6.9 or 7.2, 7.4, but it doesn't show that. It just shows 0.7, so that means it is 70%. In case of here it is 60%, this is 1%, sorry, 100%. So not a big problem. You can use these bootstrap values, and for your original tree you can see that it has both branch length and bootstrap values. So you can export this one, save, open this one. This is your original tree. You can see that original tree is much better. It has accurate tree length like this. So you can see here same thing, the values are 0.1 from values are from taken as a reference for 1. So this one will be 100%, and also same case we don't have here accurate information, and that's why I don't use mega. And but it's okay, you can use this tree and put the bootstrap value from the other tree here. It will be almost similar. So this is it. This is the tree that you get from the phylogenetic analysis. You can put the bootstrap values here and use in your paper. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to support me financially, you can go to my more about at my channel and you can support me here if you're Indian, and if you're not Indian, you can support me here. Thank you.